Hi, welcome to today's video, Adventureland. That's my car. Hear it running. Right. That's the horn. It works from the center of the steering wheel. And this is a momentous occasion. Everyone should watch this with great enjoyment. Legally, I am on the road. See that? Fully insured, fully registered, fully excited, and headed to... You guess it, right? A gas station. So, first time I've ever fueled my car, ever, on its own, 2 wheels, 4 wheels, on its own, whatever. I drove it here and it's cool. Like me, leaning against the car. I should have washed it before I took it out in public. But most people don't notice how dirty it is, and I really didn't care. You can see the hood. It's popped, and there's a smiley face on the window. You see it? Nobody died, but they could have. I didn't notice it till I watched this video. So, they got away with it. Yeah, this is me fueling a car. Next, we'll take it on its first test drive, fully legal, outside of my neighborhood. Ready? Cars are super fast. Just kidding. This is 2 times the speed. I wouldn't drive this fast down the neighborhood with the camera on. That would be incriminating myself. That's kind of dumb. When you drive these old cars, you'll notice people are like, oh, it's an old, slow car. Boy, are they stupid, because it's not a slow car. It's just old. So we go fast, but we don't stop fast. Either way, this is me going through construction. It feels super fast. I must be going speed limit because, well, the car in front of me limits my speed. Speedometer's installed, but I haven't dialed it in and tuned it up yet for this video, so yay. I did have a fun little incident I'd like to show you. And so we'll go to normal speed. Ready? Normal speed. See that truck? He looked at me because you can't stop looking at this car. And then he pulled in front of me because he's like, I'm super fast, I'm fancy and new. And I said, forget that. And you see how I let off right there? That's because my hood unlatched. I'm on the safety hook now. And I'm glad I let off because that pedal bike guy right there, he's apparently thought I was slow too. I would hate to put my Ram on his bike. That would have been bad for my Ram. Just a bike. As long as the guy got okay. Anyway, here we go, cruising around. And now the hood is bouncy and it makes me uncomfortable. So we pull in here to this little strip mall, which makes me feel like I'm flying down the road, but I'm really going like 2 miles an hour through this parking lot because I'm so scared that someone's going to run into me because first time you drive the car, someone's going to hit you and start a giant argument and then a giant riot will break out. Either way. So cruising through the parking lot, trying to find a spot that I feel safe to park. So excited, I'm almost peeing my pants. I am driving my car. You guys, I hope you understand, when you drive a car for the first time in 5 years, everything's breaking in your mind. You're like, the door's going to open, the seatbelt's going to explode, the whole car is going to blow. Ooh, look at the dash. Everything's going to blow up. Here I go. Look at me. I'm so fast. Nerdy Joe. Aha, the hood's now latched. Little did I know there's lots of issues you got to work out of a car. Like, no windshield wipers is a big miss. See that? A little stub there, but there's no wiper blade on it yet. So anyway, now you're back to slow-mo. Look how fast I'm driving. This is me in reverse. If I would have done that fast, you'd have thought I would be like James Bond. Anyway, see that car? I don't think I did. I was so excited driving this car that I don't look at anyone else. So anyway, no one likes to go slow, so back to fast pace to get out of the parking lot. You can make motor sounds if you'd like. I approve. And then make some screechy sounds when I take off in a second, right? Like, whatever. But now I will drive off into the sunset. Now back to normal speed because look at that sunset. Beautiful way to just end a test drive. It did get me home. I did have the hood pop again. I had a lot of issues so far with the car because, I don't know, I built it. And I'm going to go through a lot of the issues I've had, a lot of the things I've had to work out. Every car has kinks. Me, I have a lot of kinks in the car that I'm still working out. Overall, though, the car made it. It drove. It was fun. And now you get to see me drive off into the sunset. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope you want to go for a drive in your own car, but have fun.